came and I thought it is flowing. Now the table turn around and the game is playing me. Oh, the game is playing me now. I thought I was winning, but it turned out to be a difficult puzzle. It's so confusing, and I don't know what to do. Oh, this is insane. Cause I don't know what to do. This is supposed to be my game. Now I turned out to be the victim. This is insane. Cause I don't know what to do. The whole thing is just confusing. Yeah. This is insane.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry for everything. I fell in love with you the very moment you came into that house. I didn't know how to tell you. The more I try to get myself away from you, the more I try to fight it, the more I keep falling. I love you very much, I swear.
Listen, my heart is already broken from thinking about you, knowing that I can never have you. Please don't make it worse by saying words you do not mean.
I mean every word I just said. I'm sorry it took this long to say it.
What about Alexis Prescott?
Alexis is a good person. He has an amazing soul. He asked me to marry him and I turned him down because I can't see myself getting married to someone I don't love. And that's why I'm here.
Wow. Wow. I have been waiting for this day. Thank you for choosing me over money and affluence. I promise you will never regret it.
I want to be very sincere to myself. That for the first time in my life, this here is the truth. That I love you. Staying happy in marriage is better than just getting married.
I love you too. I love you too.
My uncle. Hello, uncle? You want me to come now? Okay, I'm coming. All right. Let's go to the house.
No. I was in the middle of something before you called me, so.
You're going to come?
Yes, I'll see you.
All right. I'll see you soon, okay?
But it turned out to be a difficult puzzle. It's so confusing, and I don't know what to do. This is insane. Cause I don't know what to do. This is supposed to be my game. Now I turned out to be the victim. This is insane. Cause I don't know what to do. The whole thing is just confusing. I was playing this game and I thought it is flowing. Now the table turn around and the game is playing me. Oh, the game is playing me now. I thought I was winning, but it turned out to be a difficult puzzle. It's so confusing, and I don't know what to do. This is don't know what to do. This is supposed to be my case. Now I turned out to be the victim. This is insane. Cause I don't know what to do. Was winning, but it turned out to be a difficult puzzle. It's so confusing, and I don't know what to do. This is insane. Cause I don't know what to do. This is supposed to be my case. Now I turned out to be the victim. This is insane. Cause I don't know what to do. The whole thing is just confusing. I was playing this game and I thought it is flowing. Now the table turn around and the game is...
Everywhere.
You said it was urgent.
Yes.
What's the problem?
There's no problem. Only that someone here wants to see you.
Who? Uncle, please, I don't want to see anybody, please. I don't want to talk or speak to anybody, please, please.
Just hold her, it is important. Aha, here she is.
Ebube, my daughter, please. I know that nothing I will say or do will make you believe me. Nothing will justify my action. Find a place in your heart to forgive your ignorant mother.
Mother, don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. You were there, you connived with my enemies to destroy me. To destroy me, Mama. You did that to your own daughter.
No.
You did that. Oh, what did I do to you? Why will you do your own daughter like that?
I was deceived. Ogogo deceived me. Ebube, do you honestly believe that I would do anything that will bring you harm? Do you? But Ogogo made me believe that video will save you from Princess Escort and BLS's escort. Okuya?
Yes.
No.
But I called you. I called you several times. I called you. You were cutting my coat. I called you. Didn't I call you?
It was because I don't understand your method. I was thinking that will be the only thing that will make you come back to your senses.
No, don't do that. Don't do that. Please, don't do that.
No.
I was just looking out for you because
Hurt me so bad.
I'm sorry.
Come on.
Because I'm sorry.
Watch your tears, okay?
I'm sorry.
Let's forget all that has happened in the past. Let bygones be bygone, okay? Let us start on a fresh note. That's it. It's your mommy. She means well all the time. And Charity, you are aware that the same Alexis Prescott has asked her to marry him.
The same Alexis Prescott.
Exactly.
Is this one for real or another?
It happened in my presence. She will confirm it.
Ne. What did you say, Mbo?
Let's go inside. Let's go inside, Mama. Let's go inside.
Who is it?
Who is that? Who is that?
Are you expecting anybody?
No.
Agumba. Don't you recognize him? Agumba!
His name is Agumba. What's the problem? What's the problem?
Charity was my wife.
You say you don't want anything, would you? Even if it's water, can you want to
Come on, stop. If I want anything, I will tell you.
You're my friend.
Okay.
Is your husband home?
No. He's at work.
Work? Is he not supposed to have been home by now?
Maybe they have more work to do now.
It's not that construction site. I passed there not quite long. The whole building is empty.
Maybe they actually went to other sites now. You know, I don't really know much about his job.
Or maybe he has gone to his usual spot.
What spot?
You don't know? They have this local restaurant close to that construction site. Your husband and the owner, they are very close. Assuming I didn't know your husband, I would say they are having an affair.
What?
I didn't say they are dating. It's not as if I said they are dating. I said, assuming I didn't know him. But the way they behave, they are so close. You know the way people reason these days. They will start to talk. It may be true or may not be true. What do I even know, Seth? Let me come and start going. We will see all that time, okay?
My lovely wife. How are you doing?
Where are you coming from?
You still have to welcome your darling husband after he had the work?
Answer my question, Agumba. Where are you coming from? Oh, you've started seeing other women, right?
Did you smoke or something? No. What are you spilling from your mouth? Did you just hear yourself?
Oh, you think I won't find out? You think I won't find out, right? Now tell me who that woman is, else this house won't contain both of us. Who is she?
Please. Please and please. I don't have time for this idle talk right now. Okay? As you can see, this is for stuff. You can prepare something for us to eat. That's if you want. If you don't like, you can leave it here. I need to rest my head.
Agumba, you want to walk out on me? I am asking you a question and you want to walk out on me? Yes! You have the guts to walk out on me while I'm still talking. Are you okay? Agumba, who is that woman? I need to know who the woman is. Agumba, tell me. Tell me what I need to do. Talk to me right here and now. Who is that woman? Oh, you don't want to talk? Tell me what that woman has that I don't have. Tell me.
Why are you doing this?
Oh, you're asking questions. Agumba, tell me who that woman is, oh. Tell me what that woman has that I don't have. Tell me. Who is she? I need to know, who is she? She's better than me, right? Right? You love her more than you love me, right? Tell me, who is that woman? Who is she? Eh? Agumba!
I don't have strength. I don't have strength for this fight.
Aha, you don't have strength. But let's start talking, oh. Start talking, Agumba. Start talking. There will be no peace in this house for you. Yes, no peace. Tell me who the woman is.
What's all this drama? Every morning, afternoon, and night. Charity. What's delaying the food?
Your food, though.
And why here? What happened to the dining?
You should be happy I brought this food here. Oh yes, you should be happy I didn't take this food to the poultry. Rubbish. You're questioning me.
And where is the water for washing of hand?
My job is to serve you food right. Of course. If you want to wash your hands before eating, that's your business. If you don't want, it's still your business. That's the bowl right there, right? You can go outside, fetch water to wash your hands. Or better still, we have the division of labor, right? Tell other women to do that for you. Don't stress me, oh. Don't stress me.
Charity. What's the meaning of this? Yeah? I provide you enough to make good food in this house. What is the meaning of this?
You don't like it. Tell me now. Yeah, I don't know you won't like it though. But let me tell you something. This is what you get, from a woman who feels cheated by her husband with incessant record of infidelity.
What infidelity, Charity? What infidelity?
Don't give me that. Do not give me that. Listen, I have the record of your relationship with that woman. And now you know your plans, right? But it will not work. If your plans are to take me out of this house and bring in another woman, my dear, you fail. You fail because I have come to stay. Rubbish. Go and meet her. Go and meet her, let her feed you. Yes, go and meet her so she will feed you. And whenever you are done, make sure you don't come back to this house, because this house will not contain both of us. It will not contain both of us. Oh, you're going to meet her. No problem. Go and come back now. Go and come back. If you go, please do not come back because I'll give it to you anyhow you want it. Nonsense. Rubbish. Charity, what is this? What is this? You have other places you eat and you're here stressing my life. Rubbish. You want to stress Charity, Charity Willow. I am not going anywhere. Rubbish, nonsense. Since you have decided to cheat on me, my dear, I will make this house miserable for you, like miserable. If you must eat, go to her house. Go to her so that she will feed you. But in this house, you will not eat anything. Rubbish. You want to eat? There is nothing you will eat in this house, even if it's palm kernel. There is nothing. And if you must eat, go and meet her. Because you will not eat anything in this house. Anything at all. You will not eat anything in this house. Rubbish. Here, take this.
My sister.
Yeah, foodstuffs.
Thank you so much. Yeah?
No problem.
Thank you. Thank you, my sister.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
All this for me.
For you, my brother.
It's alright. I'll be leaving now. Yeah. So that my wife can prepare the food.
You want to go without eating? Eh?
You always get
Wait,
yourself
see,
worked up over food. Let me go home. Now it's not food items. When I get home, my wife will prepare it, then I will eat.
Agumba, sit down. Your house is not running away. Wait, let me get you something to eat.
This is my sister.
This is the food I bought for myself. I wanted to eat it, but have it.
Oh, kwabole.
You will like it. It's very sweet.
Hey. All these women, you don't package their food very well.
See the way you're rushing the food.
You have to rush it. I'm very hungry.
But a moment ago, you were doing shakara.
Agumba! Agumba, so this is it! Eh? Agumba, so this is it! So it is true, eh? It is true that a useless man like you, a shameless idiot like you, is having an affair with this thing right here. This old-fashioned idiot, eh? With her sagging breasts like a pair of slippers. Fool, exhibida, husband snatcher. You think you can snatch my Agumba away from me? You cannot, oh. Agumba is mine and mine forever. We cannot even share him. Useless idiot. Give me that food, idiot.
Charity! Charity, what has gotten over you for Christ's sake? Charity, this is my elder sister. I think the one I've been telling you about.
Really?
I told you we would come and see my elder sister, Tinke. This is Tinke. Charity, what is wrong with you? What have I done to you?
Hey.
What?
Hey! Auntie, please forgive me. Ask whether. Auntie, please forgive me. I know I overreacted, but why I don't know. I've wronged at my wedding. I'm so sorry. Forgive me. I don't know. My in-law. I'm
From being a wedding.
Please forgive me.
Old cargo with a sagging breast like a pair of slippers. The one he's cheating on you with, right? Eh?
No. His sister. Hey, please.
You are right in one thing. That my brother doesn't have taste. He doesn't. Because it shows in the kind of woman he got married to. Nonsense.
Hey, please forgive me. I'm so sorry.
Let me not see you close to this place again.
Hey, my in-law, please forgive me. Odogum, Angu, please now help me and beg Auntie Katie. Tell her that I'm sorry.
Now
My in-law.
Look at the kind of impression you created before her, just for the very first time.
Hey, what do I do now? Obi, my love, I'm so sorry. Odogum came.
All the food stuff I bring home, she's the one that used to give that to me.
Hey, you go on.
No, just take a look at it.
Hey, you did not tell me. My in-law, I'm sorry, oh. Tell her that I'm sorry now. But you know I'm not like this. I'm just fighting for love. But I'm sorry. Hey, Auntie K. What do we do now? Hey, in-law. Hey.
So that was the woman you wanted to introduce me to as your wife. Sophia. Thank God you both are not properly married though. Thank God we are still at the stage of introduction because it will not work, oh. It will not work. It will not work. You see that small thing you did on her head? Forget it. Leave it to them. Let them carry their daughter. I'm not going to allow you to marry that lunatic.
But Auntie Nke.
Auntie, give me. Auntie what? See, I'm still the Ada of our family. And I have the strong hold over the choice of my younger ones. What is wrong with you? Do you want to die untimely? See, I've said my own. I have said my own.
See that girl, you're not going to marry her. If you like, continue with her. That one is your business. If you die, we'll just bury you. Are you hearing what I'm saying? That's your choice. But I'm telling you that my decision is that you're not going to marry that girl. Simple and short.
Auntie K, all these things you are saying.
Auntie what? That one is your business. I'm done.
Please, I beg you, forgive me. Forgive me. I know I messed up, but I'm ready to be a changed person. Please just forgive me, okay? I'm ready to change and I promise you, all that has happened won't happen again, I swear down.
Charity, you've done nothing wrong to me. You've done nothing wrong. Okay? Just that there are some impressions that cannot be easily forgotten. You've already created an indelible impression to my sister. And that will get to my family at large.
What do you mean? Tell me, what do you mean? What?
There is some food stuff. Gotta make something for us to eat.
Agumba, I want you to tell me you have forgiven me. And for the impression, just tell me, something can be done about it. Tell them I'm a nice person. Tell them I wasn't like this, just that I felt you were cheating on me. Please forgive me, Agumba, please forgive.
You see this type of food I want you to prepare? Those type of soup, when you prepare them, you add more salt, more pepper, and excess water. That is what I want to eat.
Oh, no, my husband. My beloved husband, please, I'm sorry. Forgive me. Please, I'm sorry, forgive me. No. I want you to tell me that you have forgiven me. And I want you to know that I'm ready to change. I'm sorry. I felt you were cheating on me. I'm sorry, forgive me. I'll make you good food. I won't add excess water again. I'll make you delicious meal. Yes, as usual. Please just forgive me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Akopa. And I promise not to do it again. I promise.
Charity, like
forgive
I said,
me,
you've done nothing wrong to me. Stand up, go and get us food prepared.
The impression you said I created already, can something be done about it? Can you tell them I'm a nice person? Can you tell them I'm not like this? Can you just tell them I felt this way because I thought you were cheating on me? Please just forgive me. Forgive me. I beg you, forgive me. Please, I beg you. I promise it won't happen again. I won't do this again. I'm sorry. Please, my husband. Please, I beg you. Oh, my darling husband. Your food is here. Food is ready, my love.
What has changed, Charity? I can't remember buying meat for you to cook with.
Well, my husband, I actually bought the meat with my money. I want to use this medium to tell you that I'm very sorry. Please forgive me.
I always tell you, I have no problem with you. Alright? Just that my body system has adapted to the malnourishing food you've been serving me. And that is the type of food I want to continue eating in this house.
My husband, I'm so sorry. Just forgive me. I'm so sorry for serving you malnourishing food all this while. I've changed. I told you already. Please please, just let go of all that has happened. Please, I beg you. Eat your food, okay? That was the last time I set my eyes on him again.
At that time, it became necessary for me to leave.
You left without letting me know. We could have discussed what was going on between us.
Do you know how many times we talked? I pleaded with you, but each time you grew worse. You became a total stranger, Charity.
What you did not know, Mr. Agumba, is that that stranger was carrying your child when you left.
Charity! What is he talking about?
I was 4 weeks gone when you left. I didn't even know I was pregnant with your child.
You mean you had my baby? Where is he? No, where is my child?
Why are you two staring at me?
Baby bear, Agumba is your father.
Yes, he is your biological father.
No, I can't. Are there any more surprises? Because honestly, I cannot take it.
Mr. Prescott, don't tell me you're calling off the marriage.
That is the thing. I am not Alexis Prescott.
What? If you're not Alexis Prescott, then who is?
You see,
Namdi, thank God you're here. My head wants to blow off. I mean, today has been a very long day.
Was winning, but it turned out to be a difficult puzzle. It's so confusing, and I don't know what to do.
What happened?
It's quite a long story.
It's supposed to be my game. Now I turned out to be defeated.
Can you imagine? My father has been working for me as a gatesman, and he's been calling me madam.
He's not who you think he is.
Hold on. You mean like a secret service agent? A spy or what?
Have you been spying on me?
No, he's not a secret service agent, nor a spy. He's Prescott's official driver.
Hold on. You brought Nnamdi here. Does that mean Nnamdi works for Prescott too? Prescott sent all of you against me?
No, he is actually Alexis Prescott.
Around and the game is playing me out. The game is playing me now. I thought I was winning, but it turned out to be a difficult puzzle. Confusing, and I don't know what to do. Oh, this is insane. Cause I don't know what to do. This is supposed to be my game. Now I turned out to be defeated. This is insane. Cause I don't know what to do. The whole thing is just confusing.
Take some water.
Now the table turn around and the game is playing me out. The game is playing me now. I thought I was winning, but it turned out to be a difficult puzzle. It's so confusing, and I don't know what to do. Oh,
Give me.
All right. Mr. Prescott, please, you have to excuse us. Gentlemen, let's excuse them.
It's just confusing. I was playing this game and I thought it is flowing. Now the table turn around and the game is playing me out. The game is playing me now. I thought I was winning, but it turned out to be a difficult puzzle. It's so confusing, and I don't know what to do. Oh, this is insane. Cause I don't know what to do. This is supposed to be my game. Now I turned out to be defeated. This is insane. Cause I don't know what to do. The whole thing is just confusing.
When I was shown your video that this person is claiming to be my fiancé, a lot of people said, why don't you go after the girl? A lot said, why don't you come out to debunk the claims? But I was like, no. I need to find out why she's doing what she's doing and what she tends to achieve. And then I devised a plan
and employed my personal driver and my brother, my two best allies. The first time I saw you, something in me arose to life. It was like I just found a treasure I was not searching for. I discovered you felt the same way to me. But I wanted to know if you would choose the name over me. That was how my brother came in.
It was a dangerous game.
I could have lost you altogether. But you chose me. And that meant the world to me.
So what if I had chosen your brother?
Both of us would have lost. My brother is married. The family lives abroad.
So, I'm a guinea pig on observation.
Hey, don't say it like that.
How do you want me to say it? What gave you the right to put me through that test? Does that make you perfect?
I am not. In fact, far from being perfect. And I am not looking for perfection. But you see, it's just that I am used to people flocking around me. What they should be looking for is ideas. But no, they are particular about the personality, not what is on the inside. I am just looking for who will love me for who I am. And that person is you, Ebube.
I'm sorry. An imposter. I admit. But the man I fell in love with was Nnamdi and not Alex Prescott. The man right here isn't the man I fell in love with. The man I fell in love with doesn't exist.
I am still your Nnamdi. Stripped off that name, Alexis Prescott, this is who I am. An ordinary young man who yearns for love and to be loved. Ebube, do not walk away from what we have going on already.
It will take time before I get used to Alex Prescott.
Then, take me as Nnamdi. But do not take away the only thing that gladdens my heart. please.
Living alone, there's a wife for us. I know my insufficient for love. You see this fame, I must to get that more. Joy, no more insufficient for love. You must get it publicity. I must to get that. Celebrity life is too sweet.
Hey, brother man. Nice. Thank you. I appreciate your effort, bro. Nice one. All right. Nice one. Ladies and gentlemen, behold the love of my life. Behold the woman I want to spend the rest of my life with. Wow. This time, no more gimmicks.
Congratulations. Wow.
Hey, truly, you aim higher. You never settle for less.
That is why you see her for breast. Baby's back up. Living alone, there's a wife for us. I know my.
Hey, EB lovers. I don't know if I should be excited or I should apologize for pulling a misleading stunt on you guys. First off, I want to say I'm sorry. All my social media posts about my relationship were all lies. Yes. But God being merciful, I have found a man who is also looking for true love. And we fell in love with each other. I am married to the love of my life, Nnamdi Alexis Prescott, under diverse circumstances. Now, the moral of this lesson is, no matter the tenacity and persistence, please learn to be honest and true to yourself. Do not be misled by all you see on social media because they are all uncensored lies that can distract you from your focus in life. Smoke and fire may be cousins, but their personality differs. The presence of smoke does not validate a possibility of a fire outbreak. So at this junction, I am going to allow my husband, Alexis Prescott, to say a word or two to you guys. Hold on.
Hello, lovers of EB. I'm so excited to join you. For the first time. Love and life goes in pari passu, if you understand what that means. And love can be found in the weirdest of places. Well, our advice to this generation is do not take seriously to whatever there is posted, everything posted on social media. Yeah, because it may not be truth. It may not be reality as it appears. All right? Today, he who posted or who posts goodies of life on social media without posting the opposite has an obscure questions to answer. Finally, the man behind the mask, Alexis Prescott, is here with you today. I just want to say, I love A.B. Sparkles, the queen of positive vibes. Hey, mama. I love you, baby.
I love you too, baby.
Come on here.
Yes, close your eyes. So guys, on this note, we have to go, okay? Thank you so much. And to my fans and family out there, we love you. And please keep supporting EB Lovers, okay?
And
what? And Alexis Prescott, yeah.
hey, right now,
okay.
You are not alone.
Oh, I'm not alone.
And you can never walk alone.
All right, signing out. I love you guys.
No, I know you don't settle for less.
Of course. I never settle for less. I aim higher.
And that's why we both will be seen
on the press. Bye.
Prescott's family loves you.
Yeah.
Back on living on their so wife. Mama insufficient for love. You see this fame, I must to get that more. Joy, mama insufficient for love. Yeah. We must get the publicity. I must to get that more. Celebrity life is too sweet. But we go rock up no matter what's in it now. I thought I was winning, but it turned out to be a difficult puzzle. It's so confusing, and I don't know what to do. This is insane. Cause I don't know what to do. This is supposed to be my game. Now I turned out to be the victim. This is insane. Cause I don't know what to do. The whole thing is just confusing. I was playing this game and I thought it is flowing. Now the table turn around and the game is playing me out. The game